In this video, I'll teach you how to use the green screen on CapCut. So first, go and open CapCut application here, and you can use an existing video or just create a new project by click on this plus button. So let's go and create a new video and choose the plus button here, and let's pick up any random video. So let's go for this one, for example. And the first, just to let you know, it's very important to have a background video that you can use to be the layer before or over the green screen. So I'm going to pick up this one, for example, here. So that's the first step. The second step, you need to get the green screen video that you got or the effect. So click on overlay here and then choose the plus button. But you need to choose the plus button on the specific time zone they would like to put the video in. For example, let's go for the first minute and the 5th-second year. Here, okay. And now let's click on the plus button and add the overlay, which is the green screen effect. And I got this one here. So the thing here that we need to make zoom in to the video that should be covered 100%. So once the effect of the green screen disappear, we're gonna see these shows on the video without any green screen. So the third step now, we're gonna click on the layer itself here, and now just go scroll to the right and go to cutout here, and now choose chroma key, and here we'll choose the color that should be disappeared, which is the green color here. Okay, and now we're gonna change the settings of intensity. We'll just make it, and that's it. Now let's watch the video. Here, as you can see, the effect has been done without any green screen. So just don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.